guys, good morning. It's your girl Bo. If this is your first time on this channel is about SparkDriver. Sparking, y'all. This channel is about sparking. Yo, I just saw I was washing my car, so I have been here. After washing my car, I came to Walmart and I have been here for 1 hour. 1 good hour, you guys, waiting for an order. No orders. And right now it's 9:53. It's almost 10. So I just received this order. I took it because there's nothing, like nothing. I'll be like, girl, if you don't take that order. So I decided to now be picky because I need money and it seems like there's no orders. $21 for 2 customer shopping. So I'm going to shop for 2 people. And both of them has a lot of items and it's going 6 miles. So I'm taking this order because there is nothing, y'all. There's nothing. Otherwise I wasn't gonna take it because both of them has a lot of items. But let's go shop for this order. Let's go shop for this order. It's a lot, but let's go. So I'm done shopping for everything. I didn't want to show how I was shopping because I needed to hurry up since each one has a lot of items. So I didn't want to waste no time. All right, let's go check out right now. That's B over there and this is A. So let's go check out. It took me a minute because I didn't follow the order that they have. Because they was trying to do too much. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna follow your order. Let me just do my order. Let me just shop how I want to shop. And no, you're good. All right, let's check out. For those who don't know how this goes, we only scan here and you start packing. My car now looks super clean. I'm so happy I cleaned my car, y'all. This is the sign that you can go clean up your car too. What's there? Right, this is one person and this is the other person. Shopping for 2 people. It's good when everybody has less items. But when everybody has a lot of items... Ooh, it's raining, y'all. Shoot. Let me run in the car. It just started raining. Oh. Okay, y'all. My first customer is 8 minutes away. It's only 8 minutes away. Let's go. Just received my second order, you guys. $31 going 9 miles. So 9 miles, it's far, but it's all right. And we're going to shop for 24 items. So let's go in and shop this order. Hold on. SparkDriver. Yo, I'm about to drive for 19 minutes. Let's drive 19 minutes to go deliver this order. Oh. Right, let's go deliver. Just got $17 for 11 miles. 3 drop off. It's slow, but I'm not gonna take that order, y'all. I'm not gonna take that order. So let's keep waiting. Yo, I'm sitting here for an hour waiting for an order. I'm getting all kind of bad orders that you can think of. That's what I'm getting every time. I'm like, where is my good orders at? You know, I'm getting all kinds of bad orders that you can think of. So, and y'all know I don't multi-app. So, I don't know what to do. It's dead today. If I say slow, it's not slow because if it's not slow, the order wouldn't be popping up. But I'm getting orders, but stupid orders. I'm getting stupid orders. That's what I'm getting right now. So, I don't know. But let's wait because I haven't given up yet. At least let me make 100 before I go home. Yo, I'm on 50 right now. After how many hours working? 4 hours? Let's keep waiting. You guys, I am back home. It ended up being super slow, and today I wasn't planning to work the whole entire day. I wanted to finish work around 2:30ish, so I can go pick up my kids from school. So it ended up being too slow. I was getting orders, y'all, every maybe 2.5 hours. That's how slow it was, and I was, you know what, let me just go home. So from, I think I started at 9 to around 2 or 1:30ish. I only did 2 orders, y'all. 2 orders, and went home. So tomorrow it's another day. Tomorrow is another day. We're gonna make money that we didn't make today. How about that? So anyway, I made $53, y'all. $53, and yeah, it was that slow from 9 in the morning to 1:30ish. That's how it went. All right, so I'm about to take a walk, you guys. I started my weight loss journey, y'all. I need to lose weight, so I told myself that every single day after work I have to go take like 30-minute walk. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. I love ya.